Thick smoke from ongoing wildfires across Canada continues to blow into northern Ontario, prompting air quality warnings from Environment Canada. Communities across Algoma are under advisory, with pollution levels considered high to moderate. Algoma Public Health urges residents, especially children, seniors, pregnant people, and anyone with heart or lung conditions, to limit outdoor activity, keep window and vehicle vents closed. To keep informed, please monitor the Air Quality Health Index, keep up to date on the Algoma Public Health Facebook, avoid strenuous outdoor work, and wear properly fitted masks if you must go outside. Algoma Public Health warns that even brief exposure on smoky days can trigger cardiac events. If you feel shortness of breath, dizziness, or chest pain, seek medical attention immediately.